Yo, YouTube, what's going on with it, man? It's your boy B, aka Mr.Hustlehard, man. Coming at y'all with another video. Shoot, I got another problem. Not a big one that can be fixed, but it's problem enough for me. And what it is my fuel gauge. I mean, not my fuel gauge, but my oil gauge stopped working. And so I was wondering what was going on, and I decided to take a look up under the hood, looked at the sensor, and it's covered with oil. So yeah, let me show y'all real quick. All right, y'all. Now, these keys around my neck. Let's see if I can get back here with you. All right, y'all, that's the oil sensor. See, it's full of oil all on it. And I'm pretty sure it's oil all up underneath it. Yep, it's like a little put up under it. Well, so that's the culprit. So, right now, I'm gonna go ahead and, I'm finna take that off. I'm gonna just use my mechanical gauge right now, my old one. This thing right here. I mean, it works. I know I don't feel like going to go buy another one right now. I mean, because I got to get another sensor. So I'm not finna be buying, that and not gonna be using it very long. So that's task at hand. I use this copper line whenever I use them kind of gauges. For the simple fact, because the ones that whenever you buy them, they come with that plastic line. Like, I got a plastic line right here. This is my vacuum and boost gauge. Though I'm not running boost, but I like to run my vacuum. I mean, it's a good diagnostic tool. But yeah, there's no fluid or nothing going in there, so that's all right. But with hot oil, would y'all trust a plastic line? I ain't think so. I wouldn't either. So I go with the copper line. Yeah, it's a little bit more. I mean, it's like $16, but shoot. I mean, if you're going analog gauges, I mean, you don't want this to pop on you, then you have oil all up in, all inside of your car. So, I mean, because that pressure, I mean, it's coming, that pressure be up there. So, I need to go ahead and get that situated, because I don't like ride without not knowing my oil pressure. So let me get started and I'll cut y'all back on. Okay, y'all. So I got this old sensor off. There you go, right here. Oh shit, this thing's hot. But yeah, I guess it failed all around here. That's where all the oil seems to be coming from. Off in the top. So yeah, this thing just failed, man. It failed. So see, I got my little adapter on back there still. Actually, it just came right off. Yeah, so I got my copper line started, going up in there. I want to fish as much of it in as possible and kind of route it, a nice clean way or whatever. But yeah, that's my line. And I plan on, just snaking it back through here and then drop off, drop right back there to it. Here go the little fittings for it. Got my Teflon tape. So they have little crush sleeves on the end of them as well. That's a little grommet. I'm not gonna use that because I already slid it through. So I keep it. But yeah, man, when y'all setting these, if y'all ever have to do it, make sure that when you have both of these lines, the line and the top cap on, put your cap on first, then you put your mirror on, and make sure your line is all the way down. That way, once you start to tighten it up and this little thing right here, it starts to crimp in, and right at the front as you tighten it up. That's what gives you your seal. And just just make sure you have enough line, like I said, in your system once you start to do it. Because other than that, it's gonna leak, and you'll be having to do it again. Go buy some more of these little narrow fittings. So just a little tip for you there, I guess. Oh yeah, and I was wondering. Nah, this ain't no DLD, so this shouldn't have no oil filter screen in it. If it does though, once I change the sensor again, put that sensor back on, well, get a new one of course, and I'll check and see if this engine has the oil filter. I mean, if it does, y'all let me know in the comments. You know what I'm saying? If it doesn't, let me know as well. That's just something I was always kind of baffled about, because I know they have them on the active fuel management ones, but I'm just not sure about this. I just want to be for sure. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting all this stuff together, and I'll tune y'all back in once I got it hooked up in there, and I'll start in the car. All right, y'all. I got it hooked up in here, as you see. I haven't tried to crank it up yet because I wanted to show y'all. Got it tied in right there. Show y'all up under the hood how I got it. Yeah, just right there. I just snaked it on the firewall. Got me a little entrance. Oh yeah. Y'all ain't seen them yet. Sure. Here, I know y'all done caught a little glimpse of it, but y'all, we finna see together oil pressure on this thing. Yep. Got oil pressure, y'all. Well, the engine is wrong, but yeah, I got oil pressure though. Holding that 30 on idle. Yeah. Yeah, I gotta get another gauge, which I ain't tripping about, man. Like I said, I don't think I'm gonna buy another gauge. I don't know. I mean, because if I do that, then I'm gonna end up changing the rest of them again. And I want to keep it, my electric stuff. So, but and on the other hand, analog is way more accurate. So it's really like a pick and choose game in the end. Pick and choose game. Now I just gotta find me a spot to put this at. I ain't gonna bore y'all with that. But yeah, man, shoot. Yeah, y'all, these my new factories, y'all. I know they all come whatever. Y'all like, yeah, this nigga's got some rims. Shit, whatever. I mean, shit, these not gonna be the rims that ultimately stay on, because I want to get another pair, well, another set. But like I said, these just, these gonna be my new factories. I mean, shit, for the money I spent on these, by the time I would've went to the junkyard, found me some regular factories, then put some tires on, I would've been out way more than what I spent on these. I mean, be 100 with y'all, I only spent $350 on these rims. I mean, yeah, and at the junkyard, what? They gonna hit you for what? You probably gonna come out, what? Maybe like maybe $100 for the set. Maybe, you know what I'm saying? That's on the low end. Then you gotta go get tires. Shit, tires ain't cheap either. I mean, yeah, these came with new meats. I just got these smaller. The back tires I still gotta do. But these are 245, 30, No, 255 30 40 22s. 255 30s. That's what these are right here. In fact, these are fucking too big. I gotta get them off. Them 265 35. So, and the dude that I went to, he didn't have no more car tires. So he told me once he gets some in next week, he'll be in touch with me. He'll let me know. I'll go get them other two replaced. But yeah, it's a cut dog with the new factories. So now I can go ahead and get ready to do my my blade suspender and brake upgrade. You know what I'm saying? Do that and shit. Then I gotta go get the setup for the back, so I can have disc brakes in the back and get rid of that drum. And that's also get the differential. And the cam is coming soon. The cam is coming soon. Need that tune though. I need that tune. But yeah, y'all, shoot, that was my due, man. Shit, I just had to get my oil pressure and stuff straight. Oh yeah, another question. I mean, for those that may know, I'm hearing like a hissing noise, like it's by my AC. Yeah, that's where it's coming from. And I didn't check all my vacuum connections, whatnot that's up under here. Now I don't know if it's hissing from here, you know, from the sensor itself, or if it's hissing from the AC controller, because you know that's vacuum as well. So I'm yeah, I don't know, because I done went through and got another I can't even think of the name of this thing right now. Check valve, whatever. Then so I went on, got me some T's and stuff, and I made sure this was on good. These are on tight as already. There's no leaking right there. None of those are leaking, but still getting a hissing noise inside. So I'm thinking maybe that AC controller. And it only does, you know, it doesn't do it while I'm idling. It only does it when I'm driving. Oh yeah, and I gotta change this belt too, because it squeaks too. Once I get up in RPM, I can tell it's the belt. But yeah, y'all, shit, that's kind of my update for right now. Other things to look forward to. Paint, you know, that's gonna come. I mean, that's gonna come in time. I'm not worried about that just at the moment. I want to finish getting all my stuff done that I want to do to it. Then I gonna get it painted or whatnot. Yeah, especially since right now my truck is down. I'm going here to ride this bad boy a little bit more. But yeah, shoot, I think that's gonna be it, y'all, for this video, man. Shoot. Appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy, man. Like, share, subscribe, all that good shit or whatnot. You know, and yeah, man, I'll catch y'all on the next one.